Ever wondered how to create stunning animated videos without any design experience? In this video, I will show you how to create an animated video with Canva. Go to Canva, create new video project. Here you will see different options on the left side. Click Elements. Here you will find all type of images and other material you need for your design in Canva. I will search for coffee bar. Now click on Graphics tab. You will find all the characters in Graphics tab. For this example, I will simply select this background for my coffee shop. Now adjust the size. Nice. Our coffee shop is ready. Now input its owner and customer. For that, go to Elements and search for Man Coffee. Canva will automatically detect the character from keywords so you don't have to worry. Now here is one thing you need to keep in mind. Whenever you want an animated character, press this 3 dot and click on Animated so that you will only get the motion animated characters. I will select one character for my scene and adjust its position. Similarly, I will select another character as well and adjust its position. If you want, you can change the color of the characters as well by just clicking on the Colors tab above. Let's move on to the next scene. For this animation, I will show you another way of doing it. Search for your background and adjust its position. Now search Motion Animated Image and adjust its position. Canva has its own animation feature to use it. Among lot of options, I am going to show you by clicking on this B icon. This options allows you to animate it according to your style by simple dragging the character. Choose Moment Style to Steady. You can combine other creative style like this as well. Take a static graphics. Search for its combination, like in this example, person and sofa. Now bring your sofa behind by right-clicking. Select Layer, Show Layers, and drag it behind the main character. Make some adjustment and there you go. Now I need to select one background as well. For that, go to Elements and search for suitable background. I will select this. For that, layer and click on Show Layers and adjust its position. Let's add animated dog in our project. Let's make static image to dynamic by going into Animate. Among all the animation option, select which is suitable for your story. In my case, Wiggle Animation. You can adjust its intensity. Click on the icon on the middle of the slides. Finally, let's add some transition. There are many options, but I would highly suggest you to select Match and Move Transition and set time duration. Nice. Make some adjust and you are good to go.